Welcome to Pakistan Ordnance Factories.
A legacy of defense Pakistan Ordnance Factories since 1951. Pakistan Ordnance Factories, or POF, stands as a testament to Pakistan's commitment to self-reliance and national security. Established in 1951, POF has played a pivotal role in equipping the Pakistani armed forces. The organization's mandate was clear: to reduce dependence on foreign suppliers and establish indigenous defense production capabilities. Over the decades, POF has evolved into a sprawling industrial complex, encompassing multiple factories and facilities across Pakistan. Each site specializes in the production of specific types of military equipment, ranging from small arms to heavy artillery and ammunition. The organization's workforce comprises thousands of skilled engineers, technicians, and support staff, all dedicated to bolstering Pakistan's defense capabilities. POF has consistently provided the Pakistani armed forces with a steady supply of high-quality weaponry and ammunition. POF has also played a crucial role in supporting Pakistan's allies and partners by exporting defense equipment. Throughout its history, POF has faced numerous challenges, including economic constraints, technological barriers, and international pressure. Yet the organization has consistently risen to the occasion, demonstrating remarkable resilience and adaptability. Section 2. Manufacturing prowess, from small arms to heavy artillery. POF's manufacturing prowess encompasses a wide spectrum of defense products, catering to the diverse needs of the Pakistani armed forces. The organization's production lines churn out a vast array of small arms, including pistols, rifles, machine guns, and sniper rifles. These weapons are renowned for their reliability, accuracy, and durability. Beyond small arms, POF also produces a range of heavy weaponry, including artillery guns, mortars, and anti-tank systems. POF's artillery pieces are known for their accuracy, range, and destructive power. POF also manufactures a variety of ammunition types to support its weapon systems. The organization has developed state-of-the-art anti-tank guided missiles and made notable advancements in rocketry. POF's manufacturing capabilities extend beyond weapons and ammunition to include armored vehicles, military trucks, and communication systems. These products are essential for troop mobility, logistics, and command and control. POF's comprehensive approach has been instrumental in enhancing the operational effectiveness of the Pakistani military. Section 3. Quality and innovation, the hallmarks of POF. Quality and innovation are deeply ingrained in POF's organizational DNA. The organization adheres to stringent international standards in all aspects of its operations. POF's commitment to quality is evident in the reliability and durability of its products. Innovation is the lifeblood of POF's continued success. POF invests heavily in research and development, fostering a culture of creativity and problem-solving. POF's commitment to innovation extends to continuously improving existing products. POF also actively seeks collaborations with leading international defense companies and research institutions. Section 4. Competitive edge balancing cost with cutting-edge technology. POF provides high-quality defense products at competitive prices. The organization's domestic manufacturing base and access to skilled labor maintain cost-effectiveness without compromising quality. POF's competitive pricing strategy has made its products attractive for countries seeking cost-effective defense solutions. POF achieves its competitive edge through efficient manufacturing processes, economies of scale, and a focus on vertical integration. POF's competitive pricing strategy does not come at the expense of quality or innovation. The organization remains committed to providing cutting-edge defense solutions that meet the evolving needs of modern warfare. Section 5. Self-reliance in defense, a strategic imperative. In an increasingly complex global security environment, self-reliance in defense has become a strategic imperative. Pakistan recognizes the critical importance of maintaining a robust and self-sufficient defense industrial base. POF stands as a testament to Pakistan's commitment to achieving this goal. Self-reliance in defense reduces dependence on foreign suppliers and allows Pakistan to make sovereign decisions. A strong domestic defense industry creates jobs, stimulates economic growth, and fosters technological innovation. POF's operations support a wide range of industries and create employment opportunities. Section 6. POF, forging a secure future for Pakistan. As Pakistan looks to the future, POF will continue to play a pivotal role in shaping the nation's defense capabilities. POF stands ready to meet the challenges of the 21st century. POF's future trajectory will likely involve a continued emphasis on research and development. The organization recognizes the transformative potential of new technologies and is investing accordingly. POF is expected to expand its international collaborations to access cutting-edge technologies. By collaborating with international partners, POF can accelerate its technological advancements. POF's legacy is one of resilience, adaptability, and unwavering dedication to safeguarding Pakistan's sovereignty and interests.